Superstar Akshay Kumar is not only a brilliant actor but a fitness enthusiast too. The actor on Sunday paid a visit to Chhatrapati Narsi School in Mumbai to have a look at the sporting facilities there. The actor visited shooting range, sports arenas, art classrooms with high technology, labs, etc. Akshay looked dapper in black sweatshirt with matching pants. Akshay will soon be seen in Suryavanshi, in which he plays ATS officer Veer Suryavanshi. He plays a raw agent in Bell Bottom and bring alive the heroism of Prithviraj Chauhan in Prithviraj. He also has Bachchan Pandey, Atrangi Re, Raksha Bandhan and Ram Setu lined up. Television actress Nia Sharma has shared a sizzling picture on social media and labeled herself just a modern brown girl with goals. Nia posted a picture on Instagram where she is seen wearing a black bralette with a plunging neckline. She completed her look with dewy makeup and a chunky gold layered chain. Just a modern brown girl with goals, she wrote as the caption. Nia would be seen in season 2 of her upcoming web series Jamai 2.0. Jamai 2.0 season 2 features original leads Ravi Dubey as Siddharth, Nia Sharma as Roshni, and Achint Kaur as Didi, Sudhanshu Pandey, Vinrana, and Priya Banerjee. Directed by Arambh M. Singh, the second season would put relationship to a test with romance taking center stage. The much-awaited film Saina trailer has finally released on Monday. Parineeti along with director Amol Gupte attended the trailer launch event of the film. The actress looked gorgeous in all-white ensemble. Music director Amal Malik also marked his presence at the event. Parineeti also took to her Twitter account to share the trailer. She wrote, Saina, this Women's Day I am proud to bring you Saina. The biopic based on the life of badminton ace Saina Nehwal is slated to release on March 26. The film is directed by Amol Gupte and was shot in 2019. It was originally supposed to release in summer last year but got delayed due to the pandemic. The first look poster of Aamir Khan and Ellie Avram upcoming dance number titled Harfan Maula is out. Ellie recently took to her Instagram handle to share the first look from the film Koi Jaane Na. Sharing the poster, Avram wrote, He's the jack of all trades, she's the queen of the dance floor. Get ready to meet them on 10th of March. In the poster, Aamir and Ellie can be seen posing romantically. Koi Jaane Na is helmed by Amin Haji. Aamir will make a special appearance in the film in the song Harfan Maula. The song will release on March 10. Apart from this, Aamir is awaiting the release of Lal Singh Chaddha. Producer Ekta Kapoor's much-awaited web series The Married Woman is streaming now on Alt Balaji and ZEE5. The trailer of the show has already received a thunderous response from fans and critics. On the eve of Women's Day, a special screening was hosted by the makers of the show. Several celebs like Ekta Kapoor, Ali Fazal, Divya Datta, Harshvardhan Kapoor, Masaba Gupta, Riya Kapoor, Shibani Dandekar, Monica Dogra, Guneet Monga, Crystal D'Souza, Abhimanyu Dasani, Asha Negi and others were present at the screening. During the media interaction, when Ekta was asked why she decided to make the show based on the book, she said,
मुझे लोगों ने यही बोला कि बहुत ज़्यादा गट्स लेते हैं लोगों को कि वुमेंस डे पे एक टू वुमेन रिलेशनशिप के साथ एक लव स्टोरी बेस्ड इन अ वेरी प्रॉब्लमेटिक टाइम हम ला रहे हैं. बट एक बुक थी जो बननी चाहिए थी, बहुत सालों से वो बुक थी. एंड इट वाज माय ड्यूटी कि मैं ऐसा कोई कंटेंट बनाऊं हर साल जो शायद लोगों को पसंद आने पहले मुझे पसंद आए. मुझे ऐसा लगे कि ऐसी चीज़ें, ऐसे डिफरेंट कॉन्सेप्ट हमें सपोर्ट करने चाहिए.
The Married Woman is based on author Manju Kapoor's bestseller novel by the same name and features Riddhi Dogra, Monica Dogra, Imad Shah, Divya Seth Shah, Nadira Babbar and Suhas Ahuja.
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.